Welcome. If you want to send a video with text in a chat on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC and the latest update, this guide will walk you through every step. Whether you're sharing a funny clip, a quick update, or a memorable moment, combining video with your message makes your chats more engaging and personal. First, open X in your preferred web browser and log into your account. Once you're on the main page, look to the left side of the screen and click on Messages. This will take you to your direct message inbox, where all your conversations are stored. Next, find and select the chat where you want to send your video. You can either scroll through your existing conversations or use the search bar to quickly locate the person or group you want to message. Inside the chat, look for the media icon. It usually looks like a small picture or camera. Click on this icon and a File Explorer window will pop up. Here, browse your computer and choose the video file you want to share. Once you've selected your video, click Open to upload it to the chat. Now, before you send the video, you have the opportunity to add your own text. Type whatever message you want to accompany your video. This could be a caption, a question, or just a quick note to give your video some context. When you're happy with your video and your message, simply click the Send button. Your video, along with your text, will be delivered instantly to your chosen chat. The recipient will see both your message and the video together, making your communication more dynamic and expressive. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily send a video with text in a chat on X using your PC, all thanks to the latest update. Try it out and make your conversations stand out with rich multimedia messages.